strangers. Believe me when I say loving me is...
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is a neutral cut crease with a bold lip. I really didn't know what I wanted to film today, and I just thought why not film a regular old school tutorial, because I have a lot of content coming up this week, but for today I was like, let me just do something simple. So first half of this video is talking and the second half is voiceover, because there's construction going on somewhere and it was so disturbing, so I apologize. But yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. Like, I'm just going to do a normal neutral eye and bold lip, because it's been a while since I did a bold lip and neutral eye. You guys, I've been doing too many colorful looks, if you know what I mean, and you guys are loving it, so thank you so much for that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my wheat trimmer and I'm gonna trim the stash out because that's messy. Oh, I love this stuff. I can't do without it. I never do my upper lip threading because that like literally kills me. So I use this for my upper lip, and these are some razors I get from the beauty store. You can get it from any beauty center, beauty store that you have. They're called, I don't know what they're called, but you'll see it's like this. It's like a face razor. And you have to do this before you put your moisturizer and all. I've just already put my moisturizer, so... and I've already shaved it over the weekend, but I'm just like cleaning up little bits of hair that I see, because it really obstructs the smoothness of the foundation. Like if you have hair on your face, it sort of doesn't give you a flawless application. So I'm just going to shave my face. And yeah, I'm going to get a lot of questions. Does this grow back thicker? Does your face become black? Like, I've gotten this like 100 times. Why do you think I'd be doing it if my hair grew like a man? Like, I was like, why would I do it and recommend it to you if your hair will grow like a man? Like, I don't know why people would think that. I would never do it if my hair grew back like a man. So it doesn't grow back thick or weird or anything of that sort. I've been doing this for over 5 years now, guys, and this is all I do. I get my face completely clean with this blade. You have to be very careful though. You have to angle it like this and sort of shave your face. So you have to be very careful. Do it under the supervision of your mama or your older sister if you're doing it for the first time. But honestly, this is life-changing. It's like one of the best methods for smoother application of makeup. Okay, why is it getting hot, India? Like, what is up? Why is it getting so hot? I mean, isn't it supposed to rain and be like really calm? Who watched Veere the Wedding? I watched Veere the Wedding on the first day itself, and it was cute. Like, the movie was cute. It was not something like life-changing. It was just a fun movie you could go watch with your girlfriends. Exactly what it's meant to be. So the voiceover begins. This is so old school, guys. I don't remember the last time I did a voiceover tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna finish doing up my brows. Okay, now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. palette. This is the Matte for Matte palette. I got this from New York, not from here. You don't get e.l.f. cosmetics here, which is so unfortunate. But I'm just gonna take that warm shadow and run it through my crease and my entire lid. Basically, just take any warm eyeshadow you have. I'm sure most of you have a color like this in your makeup kit. And then you wanna just make sure you're buffing it and building up on it really well. Now I'm going to take those two shades and I'm just going to pack that towards the outer corner and also buff it in my crease. So basically I'm building a gradual smoky eye. So basically just want to keep all the darker shades towards the outer corner. So this is me packing it on and blending it and buffing. And yeah, just keep repeating the step. I mean, you know guys, you can do this with any neutral eyeshadow palette that you have at home. These are really simple colors that I'm playing with here. Then you want to take a big blending brush and just buff everything out. Then I'm going to take that black shade right there. It's like a dark grayish black, not like a true rich black, but I'm just sort of taking that on my lash line, and then whatever's remaining, I'm taking it towards the outer corner and just building it up. Like you can see, the smokiness, it really looks nice and sultry when you build up on the smokiness. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye as well, and make sure you're blending really well, because the trick to this eye look is really taking your time to blend it out. Again, taking my big fluffy blending brush and I'm blending it out. Moving on to some concealer. You want to take any concealer that you have, a flat brush, and you want to carve out your crease to cut the crease. So I'm going to put the concealer right there, look up, and wherever you can see that mark, that's where you want to cut the crease. So that's like a tip I learned from Nicole Guerrero. She's also a YouTuber. Yeah, so that's where you cut the crease, and take your time. You want to take little by little, like very little concealer. And then I'm taking that matte creamy eyeshadow and I'm just setting the concealer. So this is going to give you like a really solid cut crease. I'm going to take that really warm light shade, and I'm just going to sort of buff the edges. I don't want any harsh line towards the outer corner of my eye, so I'm just building it up. Okay, so I'm going to take the lightest shade, then I'm going to go to the darkest shade and the darkest shade. Like you can see, it's getting darker and darker, but you want to make sure you're building it up. You just don't want to slap on a dark eyeshadow. It's going to look very odd. And then I'm moving on to the City Mini palette, and I'm taking that golden eyeshadow. It looks really pretty, and I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid. That's it, only on the center. It looks really nice, guys. It just has a little bit of pop. And then I'm taking a black, I'm just taking that black eyeshadow again, and I'm just taking the smallest angle brush that I have, and I'm sort of carving that crease so it's just more evident, you know. You can take a dark brown as well, and I'm just going to buff it out really softly so that there's no harsh line. And then again, you want to build it up. I'm building up on my browns, just like touching up all the eyeshadows. I'm taking that white champagne shade from the City Mini palette and building it up because I thought it was not too intense. I wanted it to be really, basically I wanted it to pop. I'm taking my Superfan mascara by Smashbox, and I'm just going to coat my lashes and move on to yeah, I wore the Ruby lashes by Glomia Beauty. And then I'm taking those two shades and I'm just going to finish up my lower lash line. Pretty simple look, guys, don't you think? Like, I saw an Instagram picture and that's where I got my inspo from, like pretty neutral cut crease. It's really nice. And then I'm taking my Sigma eyeliner and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. And then I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm just going to bronze up my face. I love this bronzer. Oh my god, I don't know why I haven't been using this. I got this from New York as well. It is so beautiful. It smells so amazing. So basically I'm just going to bronze my entire face. Wow, this bronzer has soon become my favorite. It's been there since 6 months, guys. I've had this for so long. Now I want to take my stippling brush and I'm just going to buff and blend everything out. I'm going to move on to the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and just pop on some color to my cheeks because blush is needed, guys. You need to sort of build up on the blush, and I also take it to my temples sometimes to tie the look together. For highlighter, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby, but before that I'm just going to, you know, spritz some fixing mist so that the highlighter pops a little more. And then I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown lip liner in Sangria, I believe. And then for lipstick, I'm taking the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to put that color. Such a beautiful shade. I love this. And then I'm taking the Milani Stella Lights highlighting palette and I'm just going to highlight my body because I always highlight my collarbone, shoulder, chest, everywhere, okay? Because that's what we do. that's it, you guys. That's all I have for you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know it was like half voiceover, half talking, but there was too much construction noise, so I hope you forgive me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.